Yeah guys, welcome back once again into our channel, and today we are going to be stressing on some settings you need to turn off on your phone to save your battery life and then your data. Yeah, this sometimes enables the smooth running of your phone, so we need to get straight into it. So before we do that, I would like you guys to like this video, comment, and then don't forget to subscribe, that's if you are new, and then hit that notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video you will be notified and you will be updated on this channel. Because our next video is going to be about doubling your phone storage. Yeah, the next video we are going to talk about how you get twice your phone storage, if not twice then half your phone storage as extra storage on your phone. So subscribe so that when we release any new video you'll be notified. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. So what you need to do is to go to your settings. But if you can't see one over your apps, you just come to the search bar over here and then search settings. So let's search it. Settings, see it here, tap on it. So you need to go to systems. That's the first thing we are going to talk about in the settings app. So let's go to systems. At the system page, you go to about phone, then you see build number over here, build number, then you tap on it 7 times. But I've already done it, so when I'm tapping on it it will tell me no need, because you are already a developer, so I'll need you to tap on it 7 times. So let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Everything no need, you're already a developer. Yeah, so after tapping on this thing, if that's your first time, after tapping on it 7 times, you go back to the system page and then you see developer options. Yeah, you see developer options over here, you tap on it, then here you can do some settings and things over here to enable smooth running and data battery saving of your phone. So over here you go to background check. It's at the app options. You go to background check here, this is it, background check, tap on it. Yes, no applications, that's to me, no applications, because I've already done what is supposed to be done. Here the background check is just about you saving your battery and your data life. Yeah, it's just about you saving your battery life, because if you come, some applications will be here and you will be using your battery and then your data whenever you are not using your phone. You see, even when your phone is off, you'll be draining your battery. So if you can turn every application off over here, and you yourself you think they should not be running whenever you are using your phone. Whenever you are not using your phone, whenever you are not using your phone. So you need to turn those applications off. So this is the first tip I have for you. This is very serious and it's draining battery life. Yeah, so you go back, then go back again, then you go to location at the main setting page. Go to location. Yeah. So at the location setting, go to app permissions. It's loading. App permissions. please I'd like you guys to like, because these tips I'm giving you are very serious and they will help you save your battery and then your data. Yeah, so over here there is one thing I would like to show you guys. There's one thing I would like to show you guys. You see over here they said allowed only while in use. They're talking about the location, and then over here they are saying allowed all the time. Yeah, what I'm just trying to tell you guys over here is that don't allow any app, or okay, maybe some apps will be there, but majority of the apps don't need to use your location all the time, like Chrome, FM radio, Google Go, Itel OS Launcher, Live, that's Facebook, Phonics, Phonemaster, Snapchat, Better, WhatsApp, Sender, and then YouTube. Yeah, and there are some that you must deny. Yeah, they don't need your location at all. Yeah, so don't allow any app to use your location all the time, because when the location is on, it drinks, it sips your battery life little by little, and by the time you know, the battery will no longer be strong. The battery will be reducing faster. Yeah, so you can't hear. If you allow some apps all the time, you need to allow them only while in use, so that when you go to Chrome, you on your location and then use your thing. Yeah, that's it. So these are the tips I'm having for you guys, and these tips are very useful. They are very useful. Yeah, very useful. So please, if you like this video, I would like you to comment and then subscribe to my channel, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Yeah, so I really appreciate the like too. Thank you for staying tuned.